Hi friends, this is Dr. Kishore. Today I would like to discuss about how to plot the graphs using Horizon software. First, for this you need to search for the Horizon software from your computer. I am having 8.5 version. You just open that. Simply it will open a new blank workbook. There is no data. You need to load the data. For that, click on File menu, go to Import and go to Import Wizard, which open a new tab. So where we have to locate the data simply by clicking this File menu, and I am having my data in the desktop. So see this data I am selecting, add file, click on OK. Simply click Finish, which loads the data that is present in the text file. Now you need to give the naming. I am giving names for this. LH, LH1, LH2, LH3. That's it. Now you need to plot the graph for this data, entire this data. For that, two ways. There is at the bottom these icons are available, where this is a line plot, this is a scatter plots, this is a line plus symbol plots, pie charts, etc. Or otherwise you can choose from the top menus that plot by clicking plot. Various plots are available. I am selecting line plus symbol, click on OK. It will again pop up a new window. You have to select the axis. I am selecting as x-axis pH and y-axis as these 4 units. Click on add, click on OK, which gives the graph is ready. Now you can more customization is available in the Horizon. The importance of Horizon is that's it. So simply you just double click on this and go to the again a new window. You can change the scale. I am changing this scale to right from 1 to 12 from 2. This is a linear. Type also can be modified, either linear, log, probability, ln, like that. I am selecting linear. Simply increment is 2 units. Click on apply. Then I am going to y-axis. Again here also I am customizing from -5 to 100. Linear, increment is 20. Click on OK. That's it. This gives the plot, and this plot more effective simply by tapping on the data points. Simply double click on this, it will pop up again a new window. We can group the data, we can drop the lines, we can change the symbol size can be customizable, symbol color, symbol type, symbol shape, etc. and line also. For line also, how you can connect by straight line or a 2-point segment, like that. For more smooth data, I am selecting B-spline and width as 2 units. Click on apply. That's it. This gives the entire graph more effective. And you can also customize the x-axis and y-axis labels. Simply double click on that label. I am renaming that as distribution. Same also for this. And you can change the line segment values. See, the font size can be increased. You can change the bold, etc., etc. Yeah, this is how the plot can be plotted just by using Horizon. Thank you very much.